बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। तर्जुमा अल्लाह के नाम से शुरू जो निहायत मेहरबान रहमत वाला है। You are watching Dil Se Baatein 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart.
A small truth, a complete moral story about honesty. In a small village school, there was a boy named Ayan. He was kind but shy, and everyone liked him. One morning, while playing, Ayan accidentally dropped his teacher's favorite pen. It broke into 2 pieces. When the teacher asked, "Who did this?" all the students stayed silent. Ayan's heart started beating fast. He knew it was his mistake. After a pause, he stood up and said softly, "Sir, it was me. I broke your pen. I'm sorry." The class fell silent. Everyone thought the teacher would get angry. But instead, he smiled and said, "I'm not angry. I'm proud of you. You told the truth when others stayed silent." From that day, Ayan became the most trusted student in the class. He realized that a small truth can make a big difference. It can turn fear into respect and guilt into peace. Moral: honesty is the seed of respect, trust, and real courage.
If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You were watching Dil Se Baatein 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart. We'll meet again with another heartfelt story. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.